In line with many other local authorities in the UK, last week, Newid Port Talbot declared a climate emergency. This declaration is in effect recognising climate change is real and acknowledging we need to act to prevent the damaging effects, not only right across the world, but also on our doorsteps in Newid Port Talbot, to protect the environment of our home for future generations to come. We have a vast range of experience and opportunity within the borough to tackle this issue, through collaboration with governments, local and national businesses, and through the third sector. The time is ticking on fossil fuels. Let's not be the fools who look back and think we could have done something.
The declaration commits us as a council to call on the UK and Welsh governments to give us the powers and resources to ensure Newid Port Talbot becomes carbon neutral by 2030. We must publicise the climate emergency and work with experts to review our current plans for tackling climate change here in Newid Port Talbot. We must also identify any further changes and actions needed to address this problem, and we have to work with local partners and research bodies to explain what work is already underway. We have to explain achievements already made and set targets for the future, and must update on further work undertaken by the Council in fighting climate change on an annual basis. A lot has already been done here in addressing climate change. For instance, Newid Port Talbot is regularly amongst the areas in Wales with the highest amount of renewable energy generation. We've just completed the Energy Positive Bay Technology Centre that you can see behind me, and we're part of a West Wales consortium bidding for free port status that could boost plans to make Port Talbot docks a major player in the fast-growing floating offshore wind sector. That will not only tackle climate change, but will also be transformational for our local economy.